Want to save $10,000 quickly in 2024? Today we're going to show you how. We're diving into a world where financial freedom is possible, where every dollar counts. We'll walk you through easy, step-by-step methods to save money, from setting goals and budgeting to cutting expenses, increasing income, and making smart saving and investing decisions. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to saving $10,000 this year. First, you need to set a clear financial goal. Setting a financial goal is like setting a destination on your GPS. It gives you a clear path to follow and keeps you from wandering aimlessly. Without it, you might find yourself lost in the wilderness of financial uncertainty. A clear and realistic financial goal could be, say, saving $10,000 by the end of 2024. But how do you set such a goal? Start by figuring out exactly how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. If you're aiming for $10,000 and you have 12 months, you'll need to save roughly $833 each month. What's the benefit of this? Well, having a financial goal gives you focus. It provides a sense of direction and purpose. It motivates you to make better financial decisions. It's like having a personal financial coach cheering you on. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Next, consider your budget. A budget, in essence, is a plan that outlines what you expect to earn and spend within a certain period. It's a roadmap for your money, a tool that helps you align your earnings with your spending habits and savings goals. Now, let's talk about how to create a budget. First, you need to understand your income. This means not only your salary, but also any extra revenue streams you may have, like freelance gigs, dividends from investments, or even that occasional yard sale. Once you've grasped your total income, it's time to tackle your expenses. Start by listing your fixed expenses. These are the ones that don't change from month to month, like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance premiums. Then move on to your variable expenses. These are costs that fluctuate each month, such as groceries, entertainment, and personal care. Now here's where the magic happens: the savings. After you've accounted for your income and expenses, what's left is what you can save. And remember, every penny counts. You'd be amazed at how quickly those little bits can add up. This is where you decide how much of your income you want to set aside for your $10,000 goal. But why is a budget so important? Well, without a budget, you're essentially sailing in a sea of uncertainty. You might have a vague idea of where your money is going, but without a clear plan, it's all too easy for those dollars to slip through your fingers. A budget provides you with the control you need over your finances. It helps you identify unnecessary expenses that you can cut back on, and areas where you might need to increase your income. It also gives you a clear path to reaching your savings goal. In a nutshell, a budget is more than just a spreadsheet or an app on your phone. It's a fundamental part of financial literacy and the cornerstone of any successful savings plan. A well-planned budget is your first step towards financial freedom. Now, it's time to cut your expenses. A crucial step in reaching your financial goal of saving $10,000 quickly in 2024. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to look at non-essential items. These are the things that make life a little more enjoyable but aren't necessary for survival. Maybe it's that daily gourmet coffee or the premium streaming service that you barely use. Perhaps it's the gym membership collecting dust. Cutting back on these items can free up a significant amount of money each month. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of all enjoyment, but rather making mindful choices about where your money goes. Next, let's tackle those utility bills. There are plenty of ways to reduce these costs. Consider switching to energy-efficient light bulbs or installing a programmable thermostat. These small changes can lead to big savings over time. And make sure to unplug appliances when not in use. Even in standby mode, they're still drawing power and costing you money. Finally, let's talk groceries. The average person can save a considerable amount by simply planning meals in advance and sticking to a shopping list. It also helps to buy in bulk where possible. And don't forget to take advantage of sales and coupons. Consider store brands over name brands. Often they're just as good and cost significantly less. As we've seen, cutting expenses doesn't have to mean a drastic lifestyle change. It's about making smarter choices and being more mindful of where your money is going. And remember, it's not about the amount you save each time, but the cumulative effect over time. So, take a hard look at where your money is going each month. Are there areas where you can cut back? Can you make small changes that will add up to big savings? Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar added to your $10K goal. With a little bit of effort and a lot of determination, you'll get there before you know it. While cutting back is great, increasing your income can speed up your savings. Let's delve into that. A straightforward way to boost your income is by securing a part-time job. It might mean a few extra hours of work each week, but the financial rewards can be significant. This could be anything from working at a coffee shop, driving for a ride-sharing service, or even pet sitting for your neighbors. The key here is to find something that fits your schedule and skill set. Additionally, you may have a goldmine of potential income lying around your home in the form of unused items. Old electronics, clothes, or furniture that are just gathering dust can be sold online on platforms such as eBay or Craigslist. Think of it as a digital garage sale. Not only will you declutter your home, but you'll also make some extra cash. Now, if you have a specific skill or talent, freelancing could be a lucrative option for you. Graphic design, writing, programming, or even tutoring, the opportunities are endless. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients from around the world looking for your services. This can be done in your free time and from the comfort of your own home. Another way to increase your income is by asking for a raise at your current job. If you've been performing well and haven't had a pay increase in a while, it might be time to discuss this with your boss. Remember to approach this conversation with confidence and evidence of your hard work. Finally, consider investing. While this comes with its own set of risks, smart investments can lead to substantial returns. Start small, educate yourself, and grow your investments over time. It's important to remember that while these strategies can help increase your income, they require effort and commitment. But don't let that deter you. With patience and persistence, these additional streams of income can significantly contribute to your savings. Remember, the more income you have, the faster you'll reach your $10K goal. Lastly, let's talk about saving and investing. Now that we've established the groundwork with setting goals, budgeting, cutting expenses, and increasing income, it's time to put that money to work. You see, saving money isn't just about stashing it under your mattress. It's about making smart choices that allow your money to grow. One of the best places to start is with a high-yield savings account. Unlike a standard savings account, a high-yield account offers a higher interest rate, allowing your money to grow at a faster pace. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a sturdy tree. And while saving is essential, investing is where the real magic happens. Investing in stocks or mutual funds can offer substantial long-term growth. When you invest, you're buying a small piece of a company or a group of companies. As these companies grow and prosper, so does your investment. Now you might be thinking, but isn't investing risky? It's true, investing does come with risks, but remember, with greater risks often come greater rewards. And if you're investing for the long term, you have time to ride out the market's ups and downs. Which brings us to compound interest, the secret sauce that makes saving and investing so powerful. Compound interest is interest earned on interest. In other words, it's money making money. Let's say you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%. After 1 year, you'll have $1,050. But in the second year, you're not just earning interest on your initial $1,000, you're also earning interest on that extra $50. Over time, this effect can lead to exponential growth. In 20 years, that initial $1,000 could grow to nearly $3,000, all thanks to compound interest. By saving and investing wisely, you'll not only reach your $10,000 goal but also grow your wealth. So start today and watch your money tree flourish. So there you have it. A quick recap. We've tackled setting financial goals, crafting a budget, slashing unnecessary expenses, and finding ways to boost your income. We've also delved into the importance of saving and investing wisely. Remember, amassing a fortune doesn't happen overnight. It requires discipline, consistency, and a pinch of savvy. So don't delay. Start today, and before you know it, you'll be $10,000 richer. Thanks for watching.